what you said, you deserve what you tolerate. It's true naman. It doesn't apply only sa scamming. It applies in all aspects of your life. Sa pag-ibig, sa friendship na toxic, sa trabaho na negative na sa'yo. Diba? Even sa sarili mo, if you keep tolerating something, talagang mangyayari yun sa'yo. So, I guess to connect it sa show natin and sa yung social relevance kung bakit kailangan din talagang pagtuunan ng pansin. Tama yung sinabi ni Jay, kailangan mong mag-ingat. You have to really do your research. And at the same time, diba, hanggang kailan ka lang din ba talaga magpapaloko? I mean, kung once, okay, lesson learned. Twice, pwede pa, pero pangatlo, pang-apat, pang-lima, and so, tanga ka na talaga. Sorry sa third. Si Gerald po yun. Ano lang, nagulat lang po ako, ginaya ko. Pero totoo naman din, medyo hindi ka na talaga nag-iisip. So, talagang ako, personally, I believe na you really deserve what you tolerate. Kasi ako, I really don't tolerate whatever. You know, negativity, toxicity, you should really cut off that. Yun, that thing.
Thank you.
At maraming scams at scammers ay umaasa sa kakulangan ng ating kaalaman, di ba? So, you have to do your part.